Hi friends, you need a wonderful website for your business, and a wonderful website can be made with a wonderful theme only. And at WP Themes channel, everything has been handpicked and you'll get all the themes well chosen and well tested here. In this video, we have a corporate business WordPress theme called Cleanstart. So we will install and overview the theme options and customization option along with the demo content of Cleanstart in this video. The Cleanstart WordPress theme has been developed by Plethora Themes and they are elite authors. The theme was developed in 2014 only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done, and it is a very clean look and corporate business theme. And this is the demo of the Cleanstart theme. It has a very clear and simple look, and it has a unique cut design in this theme. It makes a different impression of website, and this theme also offers the e-commerce facilities, so you can use this theme for e-commerce activities as well. And all the pages at this theme has been made aesthetically clean and simple. So I'll show you, this is the service page. So if you are looking for a clean design WordPress theme for your business, this video is exactly for you, and you can definitely choose the Cleanstart WordPress theme if you are in plan to make a simple website but effective one. So let us begin the installation of Cleanstart WordPress theme, and we will also import the demo and see the customization option in this video only. For this, I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which 2021 WordPress theme, default theme, is installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack, I have demo content, documentation, licensing, and the main theme file, child theme file. Let us begin the installation. Go to the theme section of WordPress, add new, upload theme, choose file. Here you need to choose cleanstart.zip file, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly on the WP content themes folder. It will save some time. I am doing the same activity. So both activities are same. Either you can upload and from the theme from the WordPress interface, or either you can upload the theme through the control panel or FTP. So the theme size is 12.46 MB in size. It is a moderate size, and theme can be considered as lightweight theme. And let it be completed. The upload is going on, and once the progress bar shows 100% and turns green, we can extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Cleanstart folder, in which we got all the theme folder and components. Now we can delete the zip one, it is just consuming the server space. And go to the theme section again, and now we have parent theme is missing. It is showing, I don't know why. I am checking. Let us see the details. Cleanstart by Plethora Themes is here. Clean multipurpose business WordPress theme. Let us activate. And upon activation, we got an alert to install necessary plugins, and this theme uses WP Bakery page builder, and this theme uses very least number of plugins. It is good thing that it has less dependency on the external plugins, and it is a good sign of a wonderful theme. I'm installing all plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one. And let us check the plugins. So all plugins has been installed, and let us check the theme options, what it is saying. I'll show you this panel and the later stage of this video. Let us first complete the installation, and since we have installed the theme and plugin, this is the look of our website without any demo content, and we need to have some demo content at this stage to get a website like this. This is our target website, and this is our own website as of now. So let us go for the demo content, and I'm just looking for the option where the demo importer, whether demo importer is available or not. And this theme uses the Redux framework. It is also a very prominent framework in the WordPress development. And I assume the demo import, one-click demo import is not available, and I'll check rest of the things. The Plethora file system is working as expected, and theme setting, advanced development options panel, I don't know where it is. After theme rating, okay, advanced, there are multiple options. In fact, switch between production and development mode, it is a new thing, and you can simply change the mode. If it is in development process, you can keep the development mode. I just gone through the documentation of this theme, and it is saying that we have to import the demo as given in the theme pack manually using the WordPress import options. So we shall do the same, and for this we need to go and tools and import options. We need to install the WordPress importer here, run importer. Choose file, and that we need to choose the Cleanstart import full.xml, and one pager option is also here, zip is here. So let us check, and we will go for the full content as we are creating a new website. Just choose the Cleanstart import full.xml and upload, hit on upload and import. And here we need to map the user and check on the download and import attachments and hit on submit. It will take some time and it depends on your server capacity, so be on this page and don't try to leave or refresh this page until you get any information on this screen, and you will see this message once the demo content gets successfully uploaded. All done, have fun. And now we can check our website. And I assume the demo has been imported, and we need to just set the home page. So go to the customize options, and these are the options. I'll choose the home page first, and this is the home. Simply click on publish, and now all set. And yes, the website is here. And we need to put our own content here, and we can even import the widgets here. So the demo content also have the widget importer file. For that we need to install another plugin called Widget Importer and Exporter. I'll just try to do it. I never hide anything of installation, so everything is on your screen what I'm doing. So there is a plugin called Widget Importer that is very popular one. This is the plugin, Widget Importer and Exporter. I'm just installing the Widget Importer and Exporter by chatthemes.com. This is one-time activity. We don't need this plugin after the demo content gets well. And click on import and export. We can choose the WIE file here and click on import widgets. So all is imported now, and it is simple process. recheck the website. And theme setting is here. Now you need to put your all the content and settings here. In the head panel, skin color, featured image, other image, and all things are here. So you need to complete a website like this, so you have to do all this activity, or you can even create a customized website for you. And under theme setting, everything is available. I'll just show you the settings. This is the general options. From general options you can change color and typography etc, and fav icon, retina icon, and visual composer options is available here. Also the edit page option. And these are the areas where we need to put our own content. And remember, if you need image on the main page, you have to set your own image using the theme header option. The head panel, and footer, header, post, page, portfolio settings, all things are here only. And you can even take help from the documentation given with the theme pack, and you'll be able to do all these things at your own. And screen is saying everything. So from this screen you can edit the page, and the options are here. Page edit options are here. Simply click on pencil icon and edit any content, or add or remove content. And remember, you have to make all your fields at your own, so nothing like demo on this. And the basic things has been given with the demo. And for images etc, you have to do at your own, and this thing goes fine once you put all the content as per your design requirements. So we can conclude, we have installed the theme and the demo content along in this video. And after you add the images and all the necessary information, you can launch your website with this theme. And I assume you like this video and you have already subscribed this channel. If not, please subscribe this channel and ring the bell. I'm going to bring more wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.